Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt. It is a 2K camera that you can use indoors, and like the name implies, it pans and tilts.
Cool.
And you can mount it like this, or you could put it on a table. You can use it to monitor your baby, or just have it around the house.
Well, it's nice because it's pan and tilt, so you can in the app actually pan and tilt. It also does what's called patrol mode, which means it does this panning, and then if it sees motion, it'll actually follow the motion. It comes with a mounting plate, so and the screws to do it. So you can, like Valerie said, you can mount it in the ceiling if you wanted to, around the wall, and comes with a power cord and a charging brick.
All right. So Mark's going to go off and install this, and we'll come back and do our full review.
Thank you.
You.